Xenon white halogen bulbs. The xenon white halogen bulbs by Hella are an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their vehicle's lighting system. With over 10 years of experience in the industry, I can confidently say that these bulbs offer superior performance and reliability. One of the standout features of the xenon white halogen bulbs is their brightness. With a color temperature of 6000 K, these bulbs emit a crisp white light that greatly enhances visibility on the road. Whether you're driving in the city or on the highway, these bulbs ensure that you can see and be seen, providing a safer driving experience for both you and other road users. Installation is a breeze with the xenon white halogen bulbs. Designed to be vehicle-specific, these bulbs fit perfectly into your existing headlight assembly without any modifications required. This makes the installation process quick and hassle-free, saving you both time and money. The Hella brand is synonymous with quality. These bulbs emit a